Tell me your tale, do you see the road? I'm out to my soul, and tell me the size. Whenever the smoke clear out of my face, and my picture perfect, or do I look fried? All of that green and yellow that drip from your eyes is telling. Tell your demise, I'm with to my side, to push back the ceiling and push back the feelings I had to the side. I replay them nights, and right by my side, all I see is a sea of people that ride me. If they just knew what Scotty would do to jump out the stage and say I'm a child. If things are created became the most weighted, I gotta find balance and keep me a smile. Yeah, yeah. That shit wild, instead I'm a hero. I took it from zero to flame. You saying I read it for miles. This shit wasn't luck, they got me fucked up. I put you on bus and take you around. Put a couple of guys inside of the school, I gave them the tools to get it off ground. They say they're the ones when they make their ears can't look in the mirror. That shit wild. I stand on the stage, I give them the rage. I'm turning it down, can't take it, can't foul. We do in the streets, we do it for keys, we do it for rights. I'm 52 weeks, this shit ain't for pleasure, I'm coming to tweak. This shit is forever and infinite, ain't no but 8 years we write it and wrap it around. I take me a beat and I turn to a beast. Bought the crib on the hill, made it harder to